Hello everyone and welcome to my second lunch idea recipe. On today's episode, we're making chicken with roasted potatoes. It is such a powerful combination of both nutrition and taste. To prepare this recipe, it is going to take about an hour and the total price per person is less than $5. With that being said, let's get all the ingredients ready and start making it. Two chicken thighs, 1 potato. This is a mixture that I make out of olive oil and any type of herbs that I like. In this scenario, I'm using rosemary and thyme. 3 garlic cloves. Now that we have all the ingredients, let's start marinating the chicken. Add your favorite seasoning together with salt, black pepper, and a crushed garlic clove. Rub the chicken thighs together and make sure the seasoning is spread all even. We are going to put the chicken thighs aside and let's start preparing the potatoes. Peel the potato using your favorite tool and make sure to cut it into separate pieces. I prefer to cut mine into 8 equal pieces, which are also known as potato wedges. Now that the potato wedges are ready, put them in a boiling pot together with some salt and let's boil them for 10 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, make sure to check my Instagram page, Julio Cooks, where I post other recipes and restaurant reviews. When the potatoes are ready, they should look like this. Grab a baking pan and put some parchment paper on top of it. As you know, the parchment paper will never stay in place, so just put the potatoes on top of it and let's fix it later. After you put the potato wedges, fix the parchment paper and place the chicken thighs on the other side. Add some more salt to the potatoes and some of the marination that we prepared previously. Also, do not forget to add some crushed garlic cloves to the potatoes. We are going to bake the chicken in the oven at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, broil the chicken and the potatoes on high for about 10 minutes. And this is how you make roasted chicken with potatoes that are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe below and I'll see you on the next one.